HR was friendly. They had supported me in every situation. So actually, I am from Madhya Pradesh. And coming from Madhya Pradesh to Karnataka is not an easy job for as a single child also. So I need to arrange all the things. I need to make my mind set up.
I understand.
Regarding that, because journey from MP to Karnataka is far.
Understood.
So, and being a single child of my parents, actually it was very hard for me and hard for them to send.
I get that. No worries. So who is Sudhanshu?
Yeah, Sudhanshu is a guy who came from Jaora district, Ratlam, Madhya Pradesh, and is currently working in Numeros Motors in Bangalore.
Okay.
So I have done electrical engineering from Ratlam, and I'm passed out in 2022.
So putting spotlight on your company's hiring procedure, Sudhanshu. So how many rounds were there? What kind of questions you got from the panelists? How did you answer to those questions? Give a brief talk on that, Sudhanshu. What is?
Yeah, so company hiring process was pretty smooth from company side also and from Skill-Lync side also. So there were 2 rounds. First was telephonic conversation. There was basic normal conversation, who I am, where I am from, and basic conversations. And after that, in second round was technical round, and that was pretty good.
So Sudhanshu, how was your technical round? So what kind of questions did the panelists, and how did you respond to those questions? Give a brief talk on that.
Yeah. So the Numeros Motors was hiring for battery engineer, and there was a module in my new Skill-Lync module that was also battery. So I could relate more to that, more to those questions which were asked in interview. In Skill-Lync module, actually, they mostly their module was precise on what industries ask. Those are like industry related questions. They mostly focus on that. So there was not much theory and all, but yeah, basic practicals, basic questions, specific questions related to industry. So what is battery? How cell is manufactured? How battery is formed from cell module to battery? What is cell balance? What is how cell is being charged? What is the behavior? So those kind of questions were asked in interview, and I could relate to all all questions. So I could give like easily answer to them. Yeah.
So this was all about the technical round, and the Skill-Lync curriculum helped you during this technical round. Apart from this, any other questions, Sudhanshu? Only this was related to a battery itself, or any other components also?
They asked regarding thermal modeling and how I can contribute in their department in MATLAB and all. But I was not aware about MATLAB at all firstly, but Skill-Lync gave the basic idea of MATLAB. What how simulation is done in MATLAB. So this kind of things I was aware of, but the thing is that they wanted a experienced person. We can say like they wanted some experience, some knowledge of that person, but I don't have knowledge of that. But so I answered them that I don't have my expertise in this, but that considered me, and then they hired me in that.
Cool. So these were 2 main rounds. First was a telephonic call, which was just has a casual kind of casual talk, and second was a technical round, which was focused on the battery and some other components. Correct?
Yeah.
So how much time it took to get the result, Sudhanshu? So you got the result on the same day, or like how was it?
No, actually, I got the results on after 2-3 days. Actually, that I am selected and I have to join after 2-3 days. But company HR was friendly. They had supported me in every situation. So actually, I am from Madhya Pradesh. And coming from Madhya Pradesh to Karnataka is not an easy job for as a single child also. So I need to arrange all the things. I need to make my mind set up.
I understand.
Regarding that, because journey from MP to Karnataka is far. So, and being a single child of my parents, actually it was very hard for me and hard for them to send.
I get that. No worries. So this was about the round, and first round was telephonic, second was TR, and after that 2 to 3 days of time we got the result. So ho gaya.
Yeah.
So next was we'll focus on your role and responsibilities and expected CTC for a fresher prospect. So what was your CTC, Ganshu? The range of your CTC? Yep.
So actually, initially I joined as an intern. So interns they don't uh, give this much to the intern. Actually, they give in between around 10 to 20,000.
Okay.
But after with the according to performance of intern, they prefer that CTC.
Okay, understood. So is there any bond, Sudhanshu? Bond from the company end?
No, there was not any bond.
Okay. So what was your role name, profile name?
So initially, let me tell you one thing that I have joined as an battery engineer in energy system department. I served 6 month internship there, and after that, due to some circumstances, I changed my circumstances I changed my department, and I changed into electrical integration. Right now, I'm working electrical integration engineer.
Okay.
Which more related to wiring harness, designing wiring harness.
Okay.
And I'm working on schematics, DVP level testings of vehicle level testings.
Okay. So this was all related to EV vehicle, if I'm not wrong, correct, Sudhanshu?
Yeah, EV2 vehicle, two-wheeler vehicle.
Or two-wheeler vehicles. Okay.
Yeah.
So this was all about the role and responsibilities, CTC, and your profile. So
Yeah.
Spotlight on the Skill-Lync training curriculum. So how was the curriculum? How the teaching helped you during the technical round and making this interview a success story? So how they impacted in your technical round? Can you talk on that, Sudhanshu?
So yeah, as I told you that they mostly focuses on industry relevant things. They don't give the lot of knowledge and all. They just give specific. Their modules are so organized, so systematic that you'll get to know about what is going on in industry.
Okay.
You'll get a points of the thing, like what you have to work on, what you need to explore on the things.
Okay.
So these things, they actually focus mostly on that, and even the trainers.
Okay.
I genuinely want to tell you that the trainers are so supportive. I'm still in touch with trainers. If I call, they'll attend my call, and
that's a good
still they'll support me.
Okay. So curriculum is finely tuned, and the support from the trainees is too good. And customer support, like how about the customer support? If you get any doubts, stuck with something, so how is the customer support from the?
Yeah, even customer support of Skilling was also pretty much active, I would say, because they say within 24 hours will contact you. Sometimes they contact after 24 hours, but mostly they connected me around 6 hours, 7 hours, I would say. And even the response time was so good. Whatever I wanted, even still, if I connect them, I want this module, they suddenly they actively reply on that. If I'm facing any problem, they'll actively reply on all those things and they solve my problems. So in this way, overall, I would say Skilling is actually a good course to pursue.
Okay.
Yeah.
So speaking freshers perspective, Sudhanshu, let us assume that I am a fresher and I am passionate about my career to start in this EV vehicle domain. So what are the prerequisites he or she should have, Sudhanshu? What is your view on that?
Sorry, I didn't get you. What?
No worries. So let us assume that I am a fresher and I need to pursue my career in EV vehicle domain. Okay. So there will be some prerequisite skills, right? So what are those skills you suggest to an viewers or he or she? What is your view on that?
Yeah, so as a fresher, I would say even I was also a fresher. It's been 1 year in working in company. Okay. So as a fresher, I was not aware of EVs, but I know that EVs are in market and are booming. So booming, and it will boom in future also.
Agree with that.
So as an electrical engineer, I was aware of was transformers, circuits and all, big high voltage circuit. Okay. But as I came to know about EV, that is actually through Skill-Lync only, because I am coming from a small town. The technology reaches very late. It's there.
Got it. Yeah.
And so as a fresher, actually, if we explore some courses, if we do some things, or we should have some knowledge about basic electricals, nothing else. Basic electrical, you should know basic wiring, you should know what is voltage, current, and that's power. Basics of electrical. Otherwise, that's where you lag in industry. That if you don't know about electrical current, how to calculate the current resistance of the wire, then that won't work in the industry. You should know about basic knowledge of electrical. And after that,
the fundamental of physics, I can say.
Fundamental of physics, you can say. Fundamental physics and chemistry. So that's the thing. And if you want to join EV as a fresher, you should have the knowledge of what is going in. You should have knowledge of vehicles also, basic knowledge, because we are currently using vehicles nowadays. So you should have the basic features. If in R&D also, what you can do, if you want to explore, if you want to build some new project, you should know about the existing technology. So in existing technology you should know. So in this way we can do, and we can perform better in the industry also.
So we covered pretty much everything about the company and your preparation and Skill-Lync thing and role and responsibility and your suggestion prerequisite for a fresher perspective. And anything else we are missing, Sudhanshu? Would you like to add anything at last before we end the call?
I would say that being an electrical engineer, you should be, if you want to pursue your career in your core jobs, right? Nowadays, what is happening is people are pursuing BTech in electrical, mechanical, civil engineering, but they are transmitting themselves into IT. Most of them are going to ITs. So what I would say is you should have confidence on yourself. And after that, God is there. By God's grace, you will get the good results in your future.
So I guess all questions has been asked and answered also. And Sudhanshu, really appreciate, man, for taking time and joining us, sharing your interview experience and suggestion to audience. Appreciate, Sudhanshu.
Thank you for your time also. You also have done a good job, actually. The way you are, how friendly you are, appreciate you.
Thanks, Sudhanshu. Happy to hear that. And guys, I will be sharing Sudhanshu's LinkedIn profile in the description, and also Skill-Lync link in the description. If you're interested, you can check with the courses. And if you want to connect with Sudhanshu, link will be given in the description. You can just connect with him. And guys, this is all about this talk. And if you're not a subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and subscribe. And Sudhanshu, thanks once again for joining us today.
Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe to Akshay's channel.
Pleasure, my pleasure. And thanks for mentioning that. And guys, this is about this talks in the next video. Take care.